In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Facebook Pay to Cash App. Many people wonder if it's actually possible to transfer money directly between Facebook Pay and Cash App, so let's clear that up and go through the steps you can take. Both Facebook Pay and Cash App allow users to send and receive money, but they work a bit differently. Facebook Pay doesn't hold your money like Cash App does. Instead, it uses the payment method you've linked, such as a debit card or bank account, whenever you make a transaction. Because of this, it's not possible to directly transfer money from Facebook Pay to Cash App. However, there is a simple workaround that makes it possible to move funds indirectly between the two. The trick is to link the same payment method to both Facebook Pay and Cash App. Here's how you can do it. First, open your Cash App mobile app and tap your profile icon on the home screen. Next, scroll down and tap Linked Banks. And then enter the same card details that you used for Facebook. Pay your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once you finish this step, that card or bank account will be linked to both platforms. This allows you to transfer money through your shared payment method, so you can easily move funds from your card or bank account into your Cash App balance. If the transfer doesn't seem to work or you face any issues, visit facebook.com/payments/terms and review the payment terms. Sometimes Facebook limits certain types of transactions depending on your country or the payment option you've used. For added security, it's a good idea to set up a 4-digit PIN for Facebook Pay. You can do this by going to Facebook, Pay, Payment Security, and then selecting Set PIN. And that's it. That's how you can use the same payment method to move money between Facebook Pay and Cash App.